Hello, and welcome back to Speak English Naturally. Today's lesson can help you in a real emergency. Imagine this. You suddenly feel sick, or someone gets hurt. You go to the emergency room. People ask questions. Everything feels fast. And suddenly, English becomes difficult. You know some words, but you do not know what to say. If that sounds familiar, today's episode is for you. Today, we will practice useful English in the emergency room. Simple phrases, natural conversations, real situations, and I will ask you questions so you can speak too. Ready? Let us begin. First, when you arrive, the receptionist may ask, "Hello, how can I help you?" You can answer, "I need help." Repeat, "I need help." Another useful sentence, "I need to see a doctor." Repeat, "I need to see a doctor." Another, "It is an emergency." Repeat, "It is an emergency." Very useful. Now imagine, you arrive at the emergency room. What would you say? Pause and answer. Good. Now the receptionist may ask, "What happened?" This means, "Tell me the problem." Useful answers. "I do not feel well." Repeat, "I do not feel well." Another, "I have severe pain." Repeat, "I have severe pain." Severe means very strong. Another, "I hurt my arm." Repeat, "I hurt my arm." Another, "I fell." Repeat, "I fell." Another, "I cannot breathe well." Repeat, "I cannot breathe well." Question: which phrase feels most useful for you? Now let us continue. The nurse may ask, "Where does it hurt?" Useful answers. "My stomach hurts." Repeat, "My stomach hurts." "My chest hurts." Repeat, "My chest hurts." "My head hurts." Repeat, "My head hurts." "My back hurts." Repeat, "My back hurts." Simple and natural. Now another common question. When did it start? Answers: a few hours ago. Repeat, a few hours ago. This morning. Repeat, this morning. Yesterday. Repeat, yesterday. Question: can you answer? When did it start? Pause and answer. Excellent. Now, let us practice emergency room questions. Question 1. How bad is the pain? You can answer, "It hurts a lot." Repeat, "It hurts a lot." Another, "It is getting worse." Repeat, "It is getting worse." Another, "It comes and goes." Repeat, "It comes and goes." Question 2. Do you have allergies? Answer, "No," or "Yes, I am allergic to." Repeat, "I am allergic to." Question 3. Are you taking any medicine? Answer, "Yes," or "No." Repeat, "I am taking medicine." Now, let us learn useful questions you can ask. Question 1. How long will I wait? Repeat, "How long will I wait?" Question 2. What happens next? Repeat. Question 3. Do I need medicine? Repeat. Question 4. Can I go home today? Repeat. Question 5. Should I rest? Repeat. Question 6. Do I need another visit? Repeat. These questions can help you feel calmer. Now let us learn common emergency room phrases. Please sit down. Repeat. Please sit down. Please wait here. Repeat. Please wait here. The doctor will see you soon. Repeat. Take a deep breath. Repeat. Stay calm. Repeat. These are common phrases. Now, let us practice mini conversations. Conversation 1. Receptionist. Hello, how can I help you? Patient. I need to see a doctor. Receptionist. What happened? Patient. I fell and hurt my arm. Receptionist. Please wait here. Patient. Thank you. Very natural. Conversation 2. Nurse. What seems to be the problem? Patient. I have severe stomach pain. Nurse. When did it start? Patient. This morning. Nurse. Do you have a fever? Patient. No. Nurse. Okay. Please sit down. Good. Conversation 3. Doctor. Where does it hurt? Patient. My chest hurts. Doctor. How bad is the pain? Patient. It hurts a lot. Doctor. We will check you now. Patient. Thank you. Excellent. Now let us practice together. I will ask. You answer. Ready? Question 1. What happened? Pause and answer. Question 2. Where does it hurt? Pause and answer. Question 3. When did it start? Pause and answer. Amazing. Now, imagine. You are in the emergency room tomorrow. Would you feel more confident? I hope so. Remember, you do not need perfect English. Short sentences work. Clear communication matters most. Before we'll finish today's challenge, answer this question in the comments. What would you say if the nurse asked, "What happened?" Write one sentence in English. And tell me which phrase was new for you. If this lesson helped you, please like the video and subscribe to Speak English Naturally. New English lessons every week. Keep listening, keep speaking, and little by little, your English becomes natural. See you in the next episode.